In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this error that you get sometimes in After Effects when you try to render a video. So first of all, go to the Edit menu, Preferences, and then click on Memory and CPU. Lower the RAM reserved for other applications to the minimum value, which is 3 GB, and this will basically allow the program to use more of your computer's memory while exporting your video. Next, disable this option called Enable Multi-Frame Rendering. Even though it's meant to make the rendering process faster, it can sometimes cause errors on certain systems or projects, so it is what it is. After that, head to the disk section, and when you're here, click on Empty Disk Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. But don't worry though, this won't delete any of your project files or footage. I thought that as well in the beginning. Only the cached previews, which are temporary files that get created while you're working.
Okay.
Click OK to save your changes, then try rendering your project again, and hopefully this fixed the problem for you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.